A day in my life. Food?
Yeah.
Where's your food? We're still Daddy's still cooking liempo. What food do you want? You want biscuit, brownies?
Bag.
Inside your bag? Let's check.
This is in bag. No, that is this is.
That is your biscuit.
Yeah.
Okay. Mga kamams, habang busy pa si Gabriel sa kanyang paglalaro, ay magluluto muna ako ng aming almusal for today. At naisipan ko nga pala magluto ng lumpiang sariwa dahil sa hindi na ako nagkakanin ngayon. Medyo nagbabawas kasi ako ng lately kasi mga kamams, sumasa naman ang aking sugar kaya ito gulay-gulay lang muna. At dahil hindi naman kumakain ito si Gabriel dahil ayaw na ayaw niya talaga ng gulay, ay nilutuan ko na lang siya ng kanyang gustong almusal, yung corned beef at nilagang itlog. At sinamahan ko na rin pala ng kanyang pritong itlog. Very good naman ang baby na yan. That is an onion. Onion.
What is this?
Okay. Eat this one. This one.
The onion. I keep onion.
Very good. Very good. At habang maaga pa mga kamams, ay nagluto na rin ako na aming pananghalian ang grilled pusit at piniritong talong. At dahil hindi na ako tinigilan ni Gab sa kakakulit na gusto niya daw maglaro sa playground, ito't nilabas ko muna siya. Dito lang naman ito sa malapit na playground sa amin. Mga kamams, kasi sayang naman yung pera, diba? Kaya saan ko lang siya dadalhin kundi dito kung saan may libreng palaruan, diba? Mukhang enjoy naman siya kahit ganyan lang yung pinaglalaruan niya. Kaya lang, diba, nakakapagod kung araw-araw kami pupunta dito. At dahil nandito na rin lang kami, ay pumili na rin kami ng kaunting pagkain sa bahay. Dalawa talagang toy? Ha? Ano? Hindi pa happy? Oh no. Ayaw mo lang isa lang? How many? We broke. It's okay. Ano? Stapler natin. Let's close it. Brad, hindi mo birthday ha? Say, where are you going? Grabe, hindi pa siya nasiyahan sa isang excavator. Gusto niya dalawang excavator. Pagka-uwi nga namin sa bahay mga kamams, ay nagpahinga muna ako at nagtingin muna ako dito sa mga isdang alaga namin. Relax man lang. Pagkatapos ng pahinga, syempre, kailangan naman maghanda ng pagkain para naman sa aming hapunan. Yan. Are you going to cook?
Yeah.
Yeah. That one.
Cupcake, yeast,
Oh,
chocolate,
what's that?
Chocolate.
And what's that? Flour?
sugar,
Yeah.
Sugar.
Egg.
Egg.
egg,
There. Crack. And what's that? Milk. And then flour. It's awesome. Mixer. That is a mixer.
You're done.
You're done. Cupcake?
No.
Not yet done.
choose the cupcake liner.
Oh, which color do you want?
Pink.
Pink?
I like
The liner with dough.
You want that? Okay. What's next? You put the mixture And then?
Press the button to start
Press the
cooking.
button to start cooking.
Done.
It's starting to look like a cupcake.
Additional toppings you can add. What's that? Oh?
Flop, flop, flop.
Flop.
Now I eat oil.
You want all?
Yeah.
Okay.
That.
That one. How about... Whoa!
My boy.
It looks delicious.
My
Yeah, it
boy.
looks yummy. It's enough. It's too much. Oh. How about... What?
I made it.
You made it! Wow! It's awesome!
Yummy.
Yummy! It looks yummy!
I cook.
You cooked! Wow! Congratulations! It's nice! Great job!
I did.
You did it!
I got.
May I see your excavator?
Ma.
Yes. You say good night, mga ka-moms. Yeah. Louder. Good night. Moms. Good night, everyone.
Good night, everyone.